one of the items that we're going to discuss is a free body diagram. Okay, in your OMS on Friday, you should have read about free body diagrams. All right, so here's a dude leaning in his chair. Now I will demonstrate. Okay. How does drag become a thing? How does it manifest? Why does it slow down objects? Drag is basically the applying of fluid friction, right? So if you got a piece of paper and it's flying through the air like a paper airplane, it's flying through the air like this, okay, the fluid friction is going to go over it and under it. Drag is when it catches onto the object. So if I have the paper like this that's moving, I'm catching more air. Drag is basically catching those fluid particles of air. So hopefully that helps answer your question, Brandon. We mentioned that. All right, so look at this guy on the board. Everyone take a look here. And this guy's leaning in his chair. So you have a chair like this. Okay, it's my rolling chair. So puts it around. And the guy's leaning. Okay? So free body diagram basically labels the force that's occurring in the scenario. So look at this guy. Which direction is he leaning in? I should see people answering on the board. There's 20 of us in here. Okay, he's leaning to his left, okay? Or if we're looking at it from our perspective, it's our right, okay? So if I turn around, okay, his left hand is leaning, okay? All right, so let me put an arrow there. So he's leaning this direction. He's even got a little funny laugh, like fake laugh, like fake laugh. That's so funny. Okay. Larger objects, the more catch their fun. You got it, Brandon. You got it. Awesome. Nice. Okay, so this guy's leaning to the left. We call this applied force. In other words, he himself is making contact with the chair and he is pushing it. So his force is being applied to the chair. Like, this chair is so funny. Okay. So as he leans that way, that's called applied force, all right? So I'm going to give, and I'm going to give you a pen. All right, go ahead and type applied force right on this arrow, please. So we can go ahead and label that applied force. All right, so as you write that in, wonderful, thank you. What's going in the opposite direction? Okay, what's going this way, okay? If he's leaning on the chair, what's the chair doing to him now? The head is going to be a little bit bigger. So I don't know who our plastic bag person is, but when they, right here. So the plastic bag person is going to definitely make sure to make their friction a little bit bigger. Yes, it had a form of drag. You got it, Brandon. Nice. Nice. Nailed it.